Hey, what's going on, guys? TJ Hemingway 2. I just got out of the shower and I got a shit ton of things to unbox. So here's bag number 1. I have a North Carolina University Michael Jordan jersey. Very authentic. Fits pretty good. Here is number 2. This one is for the wrestling fans. NWO sweatshirt. And hey, Dad, this one says it's for you. Well, that was weird. Sorry, guys. I guess I only have those 2 things to unbox because, I just had a little miscommunication. One of those boxes was actually my dad's. This bag smells funny, and this one feels like it has something in it, but it doesn't. Anyways, those are the 2 things I had to unbox today, and, look forward to more. Alright, peace, much con love, whoop whoop.